Hello children, now we are going to learn the practical life lesson of unrolling the mat. How do we do that? We need to place the four fingers on the top of the mat and thumb finger underneath the mat and do it like this. Then remove the four fingers and the thumb and place the four fingers right on top of the roll over here and the thumb finger underneath like this and start unrolling. Yes, now we have unrolled the mat. Now let's see how to do the rolling of the mat. The same procedure. Keep the four fingers right on top of the mat and the thumb finger underneath the mat and start rolling like this. Yes, now we have rolled the mat.